What if I told you, I didn't choose these stocks, I didn't check YouTube tips, I didn't follow hype or rumors. I asked artificial intelligence to build a $1,000 stock portfolio for a beginner. But listen carefully, this video is not financial advice. This is an education experiment, and you must do your own research. Watch till the end, because the strategy matters more than the stock names. Why most beginners fail. Most beginners don't lose money because the market is bad. They lose money because they copy others blindly. One YouTuber says, buy this. Another says, sell everything. No context, no research, only emotions. That's why before investing even $1, you must understand why you're buying a stock. This video shows how to think, not what to blindly follow.
Why I used AI. I used AI not because it's perfect, but because it's emotionless. AI doesn't feel fear. AI doesn't chase hype. But even AI can be wrong. That's why everything you see here is a starting point, not a final decision. You must verify numbers, check financials, and do your own research before investing. Rules I gave to AI. I gave AI 3 strict rules. Rule 1, portfolio must be beginner-friendly. Rule 2, balance growth and safety. Rule 3, no gambling stocks. And most important rule, any stock selected must be something a beginner can research and understand. AI's $1,000 portfolio breakdown. AI started with smaller growth companies, but notice something important. It didn't invest big amounts. Here's the split. $150 in Waterdrop, $100 in Ding Dong, $100 in WM Technology, $100 in CI&T, $100 in Cricket, $100 in VAA-LCO Energy. These stocks have potential, but also risk. That's why AIs spread money instead of betting big. Before buying any of these, you should research company revenue, debt, profit or loss, industry risk. Never buy just because a name was mentioned. Then AI added stability. $200 in Apple, $250 in NVIDIA. Why? Because these companies have strong cash flow, global demand, and proven business models. But again, even big companies are not risk-free. Apple and NVIDIA have fallen before. They can fall again. Always check valuations and future growth before investing.
Why AI did not go all in. AI clearly avoided one mistake, putting all $1,000 into one stock. That's dangerous. If one company drops 30%, your entire portfolio crashes. Diversification is not about being smart. It's about being safe. Even professionals diversify. What AI warned against? AI warned against blind copying, emotional buying, chasing social media hype. It clearly said, investors must do their own research and understand risks before investing. That line matters, because no AI, no YouTuber, and no friend will cover your losses.
Most important lesson. Here's the real takeaway. You don't need the perfect stock. You need the right process. Research, plan, invest, review. Do your own research every time, even if AI suggests it, even if I say it. Knowledge protects money. Now, if this video helped you understand how to think about investing $1,000, hit the like button. It supports the channel. Subscribe for simple, honest investing content. And comment below, should I ask AI to build a $500, $5,000, or $10,000 portfolio next?